Turn on the thermostatic incubator and set the temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Turn on the fluorescence strip reader. Click Sample Test and scan the QR code on the test kit. If the item and lot number displayed on the device screen match the test kit label, the QR code has been scanned successfully. Take out of the test card in the microwell. Place the microwell in the thermostatic incubator. Transfer 100 ml of the sample into the microwell. And pipette up and down 5 times until the reagent is fully dissolved and mixed. Close the incubator lid and incubate at 50 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Place the test card in the thermostatic incubator. Pipette the liquid in the microwell up and down 5 times. Then transfer all of it into the sample hole of the test card. Close the incubator lid and incubate at 50 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Insert the test card into the fluorescence strip reader. Click Start Test, and the result will be automatically displayed on the screen.